Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm tweaking right now. I don't know. Hold up, guys. What's Okay, there we go. Okay, so as you guys can see, forward, refined, 15-minute. Let's go. We see the market structure shift on the 1 minute. Boom, 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 boom. Previous drawn liquidity. Right here. If you go to 4 hour, boom, boom, boom. Just like this, boom. Because the market structure is going bullish. Highs, yes. Because it takes it and then takes out this high. Okay. So again, that's not our objective, because our objective is technically just this level, closest buy side liquid draw. Alright, so first of all, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna look for the next opportunity. Now over here, auto block, but we took out a massive high, as you guys can see. There's no rest in liquidity. So what do we do now? Let me drop. Do we drop? Come on, drop. It doesn't really drop. Okay. 1 second. The lights go up and I say, oh, down in it, down, whisper, oh, and no love and the lights go up in the city. Oh, 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 oh. Go here. Go over here. Boom. Just like that. Market structure shift on the 15-minute. Okay. And 15 market structure shift. Okay. So we don't really see a market structure shift here though. This is the 15-minute major. So I'm waiting for a market structure shift. So there's one here, but it's not really like a structure shift. But yes, I guess you could consider this too, yeah. Such a choppy price action range though. I wouldn't really trade this. But yeah, you can technically, if you see like a shot. There's a horrible entry. Horrible trade, don't take this. Ever. It's consolidating and shit. It's most likely to lose. See? Told you. 830 candle. 100% yeah, 830. Right there. See? So this is before pre-session. So what I'm gonna do now is look for. So if you flip the script, right? See this auto block over here, right? Auto block, and there's a gap here. So there's an auto block here. So this is the auto block. Oh fuck. Okay, right here. Taps back. There's a bit of a gap, right? There's a bit of a slight gap. So because of that, taps back. As you can see, 15-minute. Now within this auto block. So once we tap into this auto block, we go back. Okay. Come on, drop. Okay, tapped into the auto block. Market structure shift. Let's see. Closest buy side liquid draw. Almost. There we go. Just like that. Now it's gonna take out these highs. Risk and liquidity. Let's go off in the city. Oh. Running it down. Whisper your ain't no love when the lights go out in the city. Don't worry, don't worry. Ain't no lights in the city. Again, we don't wait for that long, right? So let's say, for example, okay, let's go to some random spot in time. Okay. I'm gonna go to here, right here. So when I go here, so as you can see, the closest auto block here in this scenario is nowhere nearby. It's like, it's this one that's like the closest auto block. So it's probably gonna drop, but I'm not gonna depend on the fact that it's gonna drop, right? But yes, most likely gonna drop, but it's still bullish though. So I don't really want to depend on that. So let's see what it does. See, it's still bullish, right? This is an order block technically. So because of that, I use this. If I refine it further, let's go for the, let's see over here. See, there's no order blocks in this area. There's an order block here, right? Order block here. We see the market structure shift, but then after the market structure shift, it sort of goes for a smart money trap. Again, the protected level technically is this level, right? So pretty much, like, I wouldn't really take this trade because like this is like the protected low technically. So because there's still an imbalance here, so I wouldn't take this. So, but it does go from here. But you see the smart money trap? See this? This SMT happened because there was an imbalance before, right? So it sort of takes out more liquidity and then goes. So I wouldn't trade this type of condition. Nope. Keep in mind, not every trade should be a trade that you take. For example, here, this is perfect. See, this order block, right? It has not been tapped into. So I'm going to tap over here. Order block. Tapped, right? Went. Almost price of liquid draw. Came down. It's going to go again. Watch. See? Took out the highs. Now it's dropping again. Right? Go back to 4 hour. Okay, cool. So now you see this order block. So once you go towards this order block, you look for, 1 second guys. Okay, so you see this, 1 second. Okay, so you see this order block. Now if I zoom into, like, overall market structure is bullish, right? So look, however, it's bullish, right? So what you want to do is over here, let's look at the order blocks over here. So let me just drag this out. Boom. Buy. Put this at the lows, like a little lower than this low, just to avoid spread. Target the closest buy side liquid draw. Now when it drops, drop, 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 drop. No, my God, just drop. Look, it goes, but it doesn't really like come back to our spot, you know. So no retest here. Oh wait, there's a. No, this was retested before, so I can't really like count on my blessings here. But technically, okay, this one is technically the one. But at the same time, this was a fake out, see? Because there's like more within this, right? So again, in this scenario, what you gotta wait for? Okay, so you can see that this is a smart money trap, right? See? Smart money trap. Inducement, and then it goes, right? So even using this strong low is technically not valid, because like even if you use a strong low, you're still getting taken out, right? So the best thing you can do in this scenario is generally like avoid an area where there's like a lot of liquidity. For example, like for example, how to explain this? This order block, right? There's a lot of imbalance in here. See, there's 1, possibly 2, 3 over here, right? So we don't know which one is going to be the right one, right? So because even though there's a market structure shift here, technically there's a market structure shift here. Okay. So even though there's a market structure shift, there's a inducement, and then it goes. That's the scary thing. Go back. Let's see. Okay, so you can see this order block, right? Takes out, but this is the protected low. So it's most likely going to do this. So it's going to, once the market structure shift happens, which is over here-ish, this is the protected low, and take it up here. See how this plays out? It's a lot of sell side liquidity pressure. It takes it out. Okay, let's see why that is. Let's go 1 time frame higher. This is a peak, right? This is a peak. We took out this high, right? Took out this high. It was consolidating. Takes out this. Possibly comes lower. Let's go. Doesn't come lower. Okay, that's fine. So it takes out this high, right? All these highs. Manipulation, distribution, and then again. So what I'm gonna do here is possibly, so you can see this is the order block, just like that. We tap into the order block and we tap back into buy sell liquidity, just like this. Watch. Okay, this goes south. Okay, what's up here? It didn't reach here. Okay, interesting. We're not going bearish, so technically it's supposed to hit. But it does make sense because we're at a like extreme premium right now. If you think about it, like we're at an extreme premium. Look at this. Like this is the highest it has been, you know what I mean? So there's a lot of pressure towards the downside. Yes, that's right. Tapped into the order block. Let's see if this works. Market structure shift. Obviously this also has a market structure shift, but it doesn't really like depend on the market structure shift. Okay, if I go down to 15 minute, and yeah, obviously there's a market structure shift here, right? Does it pull back? Possibly will pull back. Okay, so it does pull back. Order blocks here, right? So if it does pull back, it should pull back here. Okay, so now the pullback has no, not here. Come on, drop. I've never been longing a market and then expecting it to drop. Okay. So let's see. Let me just play this in 4 hour. It's easier.
Oh wait, let me put my ring on because it costs a lot, but it don't fit.
Okay. So you can see that this is the threshold of the trade. This is a huge trade. I wouldn't take this, but just for Joey Salad's purposes, let's do it. Let's see. Okay. Go. Just like that. Look at that. So the thing is, I think what you should do instead is, let's say, okay, so this is a swing low, right? Let's go back here, right? Okay, so you see this, this is the entry, right? Swing low to swing high on the OTE, right? Swing low to swing high on the OTE. This is 0.5, right? Right below 0.5. So it is a discount entry. So yeah, it is a discount entry. So it was just a unlucky. So don't target the wicks. Try not to target the wicks. That's basically. Yep. See? It just crashes. Watch. Hits, crashes, goes. Watch. When was this? 18th April. See? That's why it took this out. So now let's refine this further. 232 drawing, that's crazy. Okay, let's go back here, like to some recent past. Okay, so right now what I'm seeing immediately, say 4 hour, top down. So right now we're at an extreme premium, so I wouldn't really want to buy here unless it taps back into this, which it did, right? So this is the first order block. Is there liquidity here? Yeah, there's liquidity here. So if I see a market structure shift here, I would possibly take it. Nope, no market structure shift yet. Nope, not yet. Okay, so slight market structure shift. Let's see if we long it from here. What happens? I'm not really too sure about this trade though. This is like very. Okay, there we go. Because it's like super high in like premium. If you know how to tackle fights in the premium, like discount's gonna be super simple. Because like if you look at this, We're all the way up here, bro. Like, there's no resistant liquidity to the left. Nothing at all. It's like super high premium. You gotta learn how to deal with like high premium ranges. Okay, so let's see what the next candle does. No order block within, right? So I'm not interested in buying. Okay, so we have this, which means now we're shorting, right? So it's a good time to short. Let's say, for example, it taps back into one of these, or even I wouldn't really trust this. If it taps here, you can, or even like here. See, over here, right? Almost. It went there, but it like sort of reversed before. But I wouldn't enter here though. I don't think I would enter here. So you can just TP here. 2.6. Yep. Good trade. Ideally I wouldn't enter here. I would wait for like a tap towards this. But it's not gonna happen here though, because now we have a strong turn. Right? Because we took out all these highs and the rest in liquidity as well. But this is the current point in time, so I can't really play this forward. Right here. Okay, so this is the strong high. If I short the market, it's still bullish. Kind of bearish here, market structure shift possibly. Let's see if this works out. Let's see. Nope, doesn't. Just stomps on you. The thing is, it probably because we're going bullish. Let's see if we're going bullish. Yeah, overall we're going bullish. They took out all this inducement, small money trap, and then boom. It's gonna take this 100%. Yep, there we go. Took it out and then it goes lower. Watch. They took out this, right? Smart money trap. So it's always at order blocks, right? So what I can see is market structure shift, inducement, go. Unless it's something like this. You know, like, okay, at these spots, this is inducement. Because this is approximately where you entry, right? Smart money trap, right? Smart money trap. And then goes. That's because it's over here, right? Now, let's say contrary to this, if I entered here, and I put my stop loss here, and then I TP'd here, then yeah, 100% would work. Like, I can just put my stop loss at this high, and then expect it to take it out, you know? So there's things like that, so watch. Let's see if it pulls back. I don't think it will pull back yet. So if you're entering halfway through, make sure you're done with the inducement. What are we doing here? We seem to be bullish because we tapped into an order block. Yeah, see, this is the order block. Now we're bullish again. So you can pretty much. I like to connect friends and know. In my dreams, bro. Oh, I can't see you. I know it. Imagine this hits full TP. I would go crazy. But approximately, I would expect it to hit here. This is the safe level. Watch. Took it out. Possibly takes out the next flex level as well. Boom, just like that. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy trade. That's like a 1 to 10. 1 to 12. That's crazy. Again, I wouldn't like risk that much though. Ring, ring, he must sell it. Look at this. Auto block. Tap. So if this is like a 4-hour auto block, no, in this case weekly auto block, that's perfect. Yeah, see, this has been tapped into once again. Wick the cross, right? And there it goes, right? So this is the auto block. Okay. Tapped into, go. Mug me and meant for me. Yep. Go. Go, 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 go. Now. It's not gonna... I don't trust these wicks. I'll trust here. Could have been... Watch. Go, 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 go. No. No. We see. If I tell I love her, no. Stop loss is down here, don't worry. Swear that I've been gifted a song. See, this auto block was used. Tap away. See? Like a 1 to 10 on the spot. 1 to 10. Auto block, boom. I need a screenshot of this. Look at that. Look at this. This is actually so wild. This does work, huh? Like, it's actually like, it does happen. Like, it's not like it never happens, you know what I mean? So this is the trade right here. Refined. Within. I wouldn't like put my stop loss up here though. Because this wick, I would like completely disregard this wick. Because this is like so fucking big. Look at that. What the fuck? And then it just goes. Where does it go towards? No, it's pulling back. It's so confusing right now because like I've like drawn so much shit on the fucking chart. It's mad confusing right now. I gotta get rid of all this nonsense. Let me get rid of everything actually. Yeah, there we go. Clean. Super clean finally. Auto block. Refine it further. Boom. Tapped into this level. There's an imbalance here, but the real imbalance is down here. Right? So I wouldn't really entry from the first imbalance. Actually, you know what? That's a good tip. Don't entry from this imbalance. If there's an imbalance below, go for that. Right? Good tip, good tip. Learning something every day. Watch this. This is the level right here. Stop loss is here. Do this weekly. See? Previous high. All this rest in liquidity. Targeting both of them. Ideally over here. Goes and stomps on TP. See? Look at that. Yep. Look at that. Shifted market structure. Boom. Went and hit TP. Now in this price action itself, you can find a lot more opportunities. See? Auto block. Watch. If I refine this. If I go back here. And then over here. There's a bunch of auto blocks in this level. But it doesn't seem to have reacted from these. So I'm gonna wait for one of these to be retested. Let's see. Okay. Doesn't really retest this again, so that's kind of unfortunate. But if you look at the 4 hour, see, according to 4 hour, you can can long from here, right? If you long from here, target the closest buy side liquid drop. Boom, just like that. The thing is, refining it is like the hardest part. This is now within, so there's the only imbalance it taps into is this. And just goes, see? Either way, I wouldn't retrade this. Once you see the market structure shift here, but the risk reward is not that good. Considering that you're longing from here, so yeah, it is what it is. All good, all good. Good session of backtesting. I know it's bullish now, so if we retest this level again, that's it. Okay, nope. This is not a retest. This is not a retest. Please don't consider this to be a retest. Okay, so we see a retest over here. Nope, we don't. Nope, we don't see a retest. Nope, no retest. Do we see a retest? Yep, we see a retest. Market structure shift question mark? Let's see. MSS? Yep. But it just flips on ahead. The thing is, okay. With this, right? Even though this is a discount entry, technically, right? Technically, the market is still, how do I explain this? Let me just do something, okay? Watch. This high to this low, I'm gonna draw an OT. And she got me like, I'll be like 71. Where we are. Okay, interesting. Tap back, auto block. Tap back, go. Okay, tap back, and then go. Just like this. Go. Just like that. Just like this, retest. Nope, no market structure shift. Okay, that's fine. Market structure shift, but it's an inducement. Let's see. So ideally, I would want to entry back from, let's say. Market structure shift, retest. Low. High. 2, 1 and 2. Cool. Let's go. Fuck. It just flips on ahead. Okay. The thing about this is like, okay, let's say for example. Okay, let me think. There we go. On the OTE, if you look at it. There we go. But even though it's bullish technically, there's a bit of an inconsistency over here. So wait, give me a second. All right. Okay, we tap back into this. Look at this auto block. If you look at this, and you look at the closest buy side liquid draw, watch. Okay, play out. See? If I listen your what? Oh, I think it's just short this market. Do you short this from here? Oh, I'm on the replay right now. I forgot. And yep, this went bullish. I didn't pay attention to the overall narrative, so let's see what's going on here. Oh wow. Yeah. I wouldn't really want to entry here though. Like here's the thing, right? Like technically you can swing trade this by entering here and then like putting your stop loss with this at the low of the 4-hour block. Yes, that's possible. I'm not saying it's not. But it's gonna take ages to hit this. Like at least 4 days to hit this. Right? So because of that, I just wanna like have a confirmation here. Because now we know like it's not bullish anymore. I mean it's not bearish anymore. Because they just dropped here to just keep going higher, right? So basically I just need to see like a 15-minute market structure shift. So these are the types of points where I wouldn't like swing trade entry. I would rather wait for like a confirmation and then go for like a pullback order block and then go for something like this. Order block. And then 1-minute market structure shift here. See you later. So this is the 1-minute market structure shift. So I'm expecting something like this. Like over here. I'm expecting to see something like this, 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 this. And then imagine this is like the buy side crit draw, 15-minute, which is basically this point. Your TP here. So once you see this tap, you can just entry, stop loss here, take profit here. You get pretty good risk to reward. Again, because that's if I see a 15-minute market structure shift. Because right now I don't see that. It's still bearish to me. So it could keep dropping to like over here because this whole level is the order block on the 4-hour. See, this whole level is an order block on the 4-hour. Plus we have lower risk in liquidity. So unless I see one of those, I'm not willing to take the trade. So if I look at this, for instance, see there's this order block over here. So indicates the fact that we could be either bearish because there's this one, or we could come here, rebalance this weekly order block and then go higher, which is also possible. And this is also possible. You know what I mean? This is also possible. So if I see a 15-minute market structure shift, that's when I would take this trade. Okay. 15-minute MSS is important at this level because I'm not trying to take this trade unless I see a proper confluence, you know? So, yep. I just need to see a 15-minute market structure shift and then the 1-minute market structure shift pullback, entry, and then go. Sounds like a lot, but that's how you stay safe in these streets. Yep. Let me show you guys an example. Go back here. I told you not the circuit. I'm gonna tell you never make no money cause you never pull up money. I'm really for the curtains. China. Okay, this is already marked out. That's crazy. So you pull back here. Watch. I wouldn't trade any of these unless we see another order block. Okay, we see this one. Let's refine it. Okay, so there seems to be an entry. I wouldn't enter here. I wouldn't enter here. All these are taken. No. Yeah, all these are taken. Nope. I wouldn't enter at any of these. Should that block man be for real? I mean, technically, considering like the 4-hour order block, you can technically entry, but I'm not gonna like take my bets here. But I think this hit full TP out. I'm not too sure though. But there's no order blocks here, so I can't really tell. It could flip on our heads. Never mind, it just goes and hits TP. That's crazy. Yeah, it's possible, 100%, but I wouldn't trade that. No. Personally, nope. Shadi, what is strip up? Auto block. Tap into auto block. Tap into auto block. Go. right? So let's say that. Match the pants match the belt match the shirt match the skirt, and the skirt match the hat. Look at this, right here. Look at that. Tap back, then go. Market structure shift. Go. Full TP. Look at that. Takes out all this rest of liquidity. Alright, so what do we see here? We'll pull back here. I would really trust this range though. I wouldn't trust this range whatsoever. I don't know why I took this trade. This is the range that I would maybe trust. No. Look at that. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna get out for now because I have some other work. But never ever stop believing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there. Midnight, trying to go anywhere. Yes, damn, what? Who's Uncle Tony? You were. What?
A singer in a smoky room. The smell of wine and cheap perfume.